The second part of your assignment is asking you to analyse your lifestyle behaviours. This includes your current sedentary behaviours and the physical activities that you currently participate in. When you analyse, you need to examine a concept by giving a description, comparison, and making comments about the evidence. So ask yourself, what does this evidence mean? You would have found evidence when you completed your activity log for homework a few days ago. Use the evidence on this activity log to help with your analysis. But don't just write the evidence. You need to explain to me what that evidence means. Make comparisons and give comments about the evidence, describing what this would mean for your sedentary and physical activity behaviours. Your task is asking you to analyse your current lifestyle in order to identify a sedentary behaviour that currently exists in your lifestyle. You did this when you completed your activity log. Remember, some common words that you would find in your analysis paragraph are however, for example, for instance, provided that, although, and you might use the example of if, then. For example, if my sedentary behaviour is watching TV for 3 hours a day, then this could lead to negative health impacts such as, if you refer to your assessment task, you will notice that in the analysis section, it is asking you to explain what your most common physical activity is. You would use the evidence that you found from your activity log from homework a few days ago. Don't just state what your common physical activity is. Give some detail to it. This is an analysis. You need to explain and make comments from it, not just stating that your most common physical activity is riding a bike. To further analyse your physical activity, categorise it into the 4 domains of physical activity. Remember, these are leisure, occupational, household or gardening, and active transport. Please be aware that structured and incidental are 2 different things in comparison to your 4 domains. Remember, structured physical activity is when it is planned, such as an exercise or recreation. Incidental is a physical activity that is not planned, usually occurring when you do something else. Our 4 domains are separate to this. Go back to your notes to check the differences. Now use your activity log again to determine what your most common sedentary behaviour was. Again, don't just state what your common sedentary behaviour is. This is an analysis paragraph. Make some connections with the evidence you have and provide data or statistics about how long you spend doing this sedentary behaviour. As previously stated, explain how long you spend each week participating in this sedentary behaviour. Don't just state the statistics. Go into some detail and analyse why you spend this long doing this sedentary behaviour. Now go into more detail about why you think this is your most common sedentary behaviour, referring to your factors that enhance sedentary behaviours. Use the slides on factors enhancing or inhibiting sedentary and physical activity behaviours to help you respond to this question. The more depth you go into, the better analysis you should be writing. If you still have questions about factors enhancing, watch the factors video now.